Welcome to Lecture 5. In this session, we'll dive into the basic components of a gasoline station and see how each one connects to safety, customer experience, and most importantly, profitability. The first component is the pylon sign, that tall freestanding board you see by the roadside. It displays the brand, fuel prices, and sometimes promotions. Think of it as your billboard. Customers notice it from a distance. And clear pricing builds transparency and trust. Next, the canopy. This roofed structure covers fuel pumps. It keeps customers, vehicles, and attendants safe from sun and rain. It also houses lighting and offers branding space, all of which enhance the station's professional look. Now, the driveway, the surface where vehicles enter, move, and exit. A smooth, wide driveway is key. It reduces congestion, prevents accidents, and makes fueling more convenient, which encourages repeat visits. Number 4, the yard is the open area with the station aside from the driveway. This space allows circulation, deliveries, or even parking. A well-organized yard keeps operation efficient and customer flow steady. Number 5, landscaping may seem optional, but it's powerful. Greenery and decorative elements improve the station appearance, build customer trust, and even add environmental appeal. People feel better fueling a clean, well-kept station. Number 6, lighting. Lighting is essential. It improves safety, visibility, and security, especially at night. Customers feel safer and thieves think twice when a station is bright and well lit. Number 7, dispensing pumps, the heart of the station. Dispensing pumps, this deliver fuel into vehicles, and they're your core revenue generator. Accuracy, safety, and proper maintenance are non-negotiable here. Number 8, spreader. Next, the spreader. This shows the loading point number and product area. It helps with clear identification, so customers and staff are aware of the correct product lane. Number 9, cashier's booth. The cashier's booth is a small, enclosed space for attendants to handle payments. It provides both security for money and a visible, reliable point of transaction. Number 10, trash containers. And finally, for this section, trash containers, simple but vital. Bins around the forecourt and sales room kept the station clean, show customers you care, and add convenience. We've covered the first set of components that form the foundation of every gasoline station. Each part may look ordinary on its own, but together, they shape customer satisfaction and directly impact profitability. In the next part, we'll continue exploring more components and the rules in keeping business strong. Let's continue with more key components inside a gasoline station. This may look small, but they create a big difference in customer service and satisfaction. Number 11, windshield cleaning equipment. Windshield cleaning equipment like squeegees, buckets, and water containers near pumps Offering the service adds real value. Appreciate the small touches that go beyond fueling. Number 12, driveway merchandising. Driveway merchandising, these are promotional displays like oil, snacks, or drinks placed strategically near dispensing pumps or exits. Done right, they drive impulse buying and boost non-fuel sales. Number 13, sales room. The sales room, your convenience store or counter area. This is often a major profit driver. Customers come from fuel, but they stay and spend because of the sales room. Number 14, restroom or toilet room. Now, the restroom clean, separate facilities for male and female customers. Believe it or not, restrooms are often what makes customer loyal to one station over another. Number 15, air and water station. Air and water station, a corner set up for inflating tires and refilling radiator or wiper water. It's a small service, but essential for vehicle care and customer trust. See how even the simplest feature builds a stronger station? Let's move on to more components that highlight professionalism and safety. Now, we'll explore the next set of components that strengthen branding, safety, and compliance. Number 16, personnel in uniform. Personnel in uniform, simple yet powerful. Neat, branded uniform project professionalism, discipline, and brand trust. Our pump attendants and cashiers uniform pants have no pockets and it is designed intentionally for a purpose. Number 17, safety equipment. Safety equipment like fire extinguishers, cones, and warning signs form your first line of defense. They protect people and property when emergencies strike. Number 18, underground tanks. The underground tanks are where your fuel lives. This must be large capacity, leak-proof, and secure. Without proper tanks, operation and safety collapse. Number 19, valve boxes. Valve boxes give control access to underground tank lines. They're crucial for safety maintenance and emergency shut-offs. Number 20, exhaust or air vent pipe. The exhaust or air vent pipe, these vertical pipes release tank vapors into the air. By preventing pressure buildup, they reduce explosion risk. These hidden parts are less visible to customers, but they're critical to safe and profitable operations. Moving on, let's look at components that keep the business running, even in tough situation. Number 21, the generator or a standby power unit that keeps pumps, lights, and POS systems running during blackouts or brownouts. No power, no profit. That's why backup is vital. Number 22, office and record keeping. The office is a small admin room for payroll, reports, and compliance documents. It's not glamorous, but it's where order and accountability are maintained. Number 23, measuring equipment. Measuring equipment like dipstick, calibrating buckets with chalks and paste. These tools ensure accurate deliveries, check for water contamination, and prevent fuel loss or fraud. Number 24, mobile fence. Mobile fences secure the driveway during closed hours. Simple barriers, but they add peace of mind. Number 25, drainage system. And lastly here, the drainage system, proper channels for rainwater and spills. They prevent flooding and protect environment. These operational components may not be flashy, but without them, you'd face daily chaos. Now, for the final set of the finishing touches that combine service, visibility, and security. Number 26, air compressor. The air compressor, it supplies pressurized air for tires, a vital feature that customers expect every single time. Number 27, approach sign. The approach sign is a roadside sign placed before the station, showing the brand and fuel availability. This gives drivers advance notice and time to decide to turn in. Number 28, price board. The price board, a large display showing updated fuel prices. Transparency, the front line. Customers instantly know what you charge before they enter. Number 29, bollard. Bollards are short, sturdy posts around pumps and boats. They protect fuel equipment and buildings from accidental collisions. A simple shield that prevents costly damage. Number 30, CCTV and security system. And finally, the CCTV and security system, cameras, alarms, and monitoring. This deter theft, ensure staff accountability, and provide evidence for disputes or accidents. And that wraps up the basic components of a gasoline station, from signs and pumps to tanks and safety tools. Every piece plays a role in keeping operations safe, customers happy, and profits flowing. So, what's the bigger picture? Every component, from the massive underground tanks to the small trash bin by the pump, contributes to efficiency, safety, and profitability. Cutting corners might look like saving money, but in reality, well-maintained basics protect your reputation and profits. The takeaway is simple. Respect the basics and they'll pay you back. In the next lecture, we'll connect these components even deeper to business strategy.